If you have a Google Pixel smartphone, and it doesn't matter what version you have, you can have a 10, 9, 8, 7, etc., and you're trying to figure out how to do the timer on the phone to do pictures or video, the only thing you have to do, of course, is open up your camera. And then right here, let's say for picture, you see I got photo setting down here, photo. Just click on this little gear shift on the bottom left. And then, of course, you can choose your timer, whether it's 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds. All right, and just select the one that you want. And then, of course, take your picture. Now, the video is a different situation. You can't do video like that. So, you can have the camera on or off, it doesn't matter. And wherever you're standing in the room and you want it to have a timer on it, what you can do is just do the voice command. So let's say I'm standing 10 feet away from my phone. I could either say or shout, "Okay, Google, take a video."
I am recording a video for you.
And then you can hear that click, click. All right? So unfortunately, they don't have the option where you can have a timer on the video. You have to just do it by saying, "Hey, Google," voice command. All right, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Let me know in the comment section what version you have. Do you have the Google Pixel 8a, an 8, a 10? What do you have?